Welcome to Trendline Prophet. After breaking the previous downward trend line, the market has entered a consolidation phase. This behavior is normal and fully consistent with the current market structure. The bullish position remains active and unchanged. There is no new signal, no invalidation, and no reason to intervene at this stage. The partial take profit is set at 25,562 and has not been reached yet. When this level is hit, half of the long position will be closed to secure partial profits. The initial stop loss remains at 24,640, exactly as defined at entry and fully aligned with the system rules. For now, the correct action is simply to do nothing and let the market develop. This is a key element of systematic trading: accepting consolidation, avoiding overmanagement, and trusting the process. We will continue to monitor price action and react only if a new structural signal appears. Until then, discipline and patience remain the priority. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.